Welcome to Jaisri Kadai Katha. Today we'll be making this mango pickle when it is in season, raw mango, and we'll be marinating with salt and 15 gram of red chili powder. 20 gram is the salt. We'll keep it for 20 minutes. This is the first marination. This will ensure that water will come out of the mango. And eventually we'll grind the masala, which is fenugreek seed half teaspoon, red mustard seed 1 teaspoon, white mustard 1 teaspoon, fennel 2 teaspoon. Second marination is Kashmiri red chili powder, achar masala and turmeric powder. We'll mix well and we'll do the tempering with 400 ml of mustard oil, red chili whole, cumin seed half teaspoon, mustard seed 1 teaspoon, garlic 10 cloves and curry leaves 2 gram. This we have to heat enough, not that smoky kind of heating, but enough so that there is no water content in the oil. And this we will, when it heats up, you can see what color it is reaching. Try to maintain yellowish, not the black. This black is turning due to this curry leaves. You can see how beautifully bubble is coming, means there is not enough water. And in this time we'll put all the oil in the marinated masala mango pickle slowly so that the glass bowl doesn't break due to this hot oil. After marination we will stir it, and this will be ready in next 7 days. This is instant mango pickle which get ready in next 7 days. You can bottle up in a thing. And finally we are adding the preservative, that is called vinegar. This is to be one bowl in quantity, almost 100 ml, 100 to 120 ml, and we'll mix it well. And this will be ready in the next 7 days. After that you can consume. Now also you can consume, but it will not be well soft. So if you like my channel, please do subscribe and with your friend and family. See you in the next video, which is mango thokku.